Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today we will talk about iPhone features, and I will to show to you the way how you can do a screen record, just what I do right now. So screen recording is record every activity that you do with your screen on your phone. So basically you can find the screen recorder on the top side, on the right side here. Whenever you swipe down, that will be like bring you into the control center. So the sign or the icon of the screen recorder could be like this, the circles with the dot inside. So if you cannot find those on your control center, just open your settings. Now just need to go scroll all the way down until you got this control sections or control center. Just tap on it. So make sure that the screen recording could be like displayed into the included controls. But then if you cannot find this here in this box, you just need to like scroll down and find those features on the down part right here. Make sure you are tap into the plus button to make or move them into the included controls. Right after the screen recording is already here, then you can access those screen recording into the place that I show you back then. And you can just tap it and the screen recording will be active and record all the activity that you do with the screen on your phone. That is for today's tutorial, simple and easy. If you still have some question or you want us to make you some tutorials, just type into the comment sections and don't forget to turn on the notification for the next tutorial.